Hello mga dear! Welcome to another grammar lesson na Tagalog ang explanation. I'm Teacher Maya at ito ang ipapasagot ko sa inyo ngayon. Ano ba ang kaibahan ng dalawang to? Diana had cleaned the room and Diana had the room clean. Nakaisip na ba kayo kung ano ang kaibahan nila? Sige, alamin natin kung ano nga ba. Sa unang sentence, si Diana mismo ang naglilinis sa room. Diana had cleaned, ito yung verb, ano ang nilinis niya? Ang room. Pero sa second sentence, pinalinis ni Diana ang room, hindi siya mismo ang naglinis. Kung pinagawa natin sa iba, pwede natin ma-express ang ideyang yun using have something done. Ang have, pwede siyang past, present, or future form. Ito yung something, ano ba yung bagay na pinatrabaho natin? At past participle, ano yung pinatrabaho natin o pinagawa natin sa iba. So dito, had the room cleaned, past tense. Ang pagpapagawa ng mga bagay sa iba or have something done, have something past participle, ay pwede siya sa present na meaning, present simple na meaning. She has the room cleaned every other day. Gamit din ng has kasi singular she. Tapos yung ano yung pinalinis, tapos yung action, clean ang paglinis. Pwede siyang present continuous. My sister is having the room cleaned right now. Pwede siyang simple past. She had the room cleaned yesterday. Have something past participle. Have something past participle. Pwede siyang past continuous. She was having the room cleaned when I came in. Pwede siyang pang future. She will have the room cleaned tomorrow. Or she is going to have the room cleaned this afternoon. Ano pa ba ang pwede nating ipagawa sa iba? Pagpa-repair ng motorcycle. She had the motorcycle repaired. Have, past form, something, the motorcycle, repaired, past participle. Magpapa-repaint sila ng wall. They will have future, something, the wall, repainted, past participle. Magpagupit ng buhok. So, she is going to have future, her hair, something, and past participle, trimmed. Magpa-repair ng kisame dahil maybe may butas. So, are having, present continuous, something are sealing, and past participle fixed. Tandaan lang kung pinagawa, ipapagawa, or pinapagawa natin sa iba, pwede nating ma-express ang ideyang ito using have something past participle na structure. At yun ang grammar knowledge na gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo ngayon. Kung may na-learn kayo at nagustuhan nyo naman ang video ito, please share nyo na rin sa iba para may ma-learn na rin sila. At paki-like na rin po, subscribe or follow para update kayo sa mga videos na ibabahagi ko. Maraming salamat. Have an amazing day!